Unboxing Redmi Note 5 Pro. Wow, this is the box. Redmi Note 5 Pro, India's #1 smartphone brand. Here is the specification. This is black 4GB and 64GB variant. Let's open the box. And now opening. Oh wow, wow, this is the back cover. Transparent black back cover. This is including the box. Wow, amazing. And oh, look at this. This is the phone, and let's see what else inside the box. And this is a charger, and this is 240 volt, 5 volt 2 ampere, 5 volt 2 ampere travel charger, and this is a data cable. And here there is a SIM ejector pin, small SIM ejector pins, and here some information manual and warranty card. Okay, side में रखते हैं. Let's look at the device itself. This is looking really nice, gloss finish, amazing. Wow. Let's power it on. Here is the MI logo. Very slim and very sleek design, looking premium. Wow. 18:9 aspect ratio. It's feel goods in hand. Wow. Look at this. Oh, MIUI 9. Okay. Let's settle this. Now the setup is complete. You can see that all the setup is complete. Let's check the setting. Let's check the setting apps. Here you can see about phone, and this is here is the update MIUI 9.2.5, and let's see the Android version, and this is Android version, Android Nougat. Here you can see this is Android Nougat, and RAM 4GB, octa-core max 1.80 GHz processor, and the Android security patch is 2017 12.5 2017 security patch, and all that's this is all. And here is the here is some default Xiaomi apps, mi store, and some security apps. So this is the unboxing video of Redmi Note 5 Pro. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, and the video, and please subscribe the channel. And if you want to know how you can purchase the phone, please comment in the comment section. I will tell you the secret for purchasing this. Okay, thanks for watching.